today's steel industry, energy efficiency and green transformation make the stable, long life of blast furnaces more critical than ever. Yet, the hearth is constantly attacked by slag, dust, and hot metal, causing rapid wear of bricks and castables, leading to shutdowns, higher costs, and safety risks. Chemical attack. Alkalis and slag penetrate pores, weakening the lining. Thermal erosion. Hot metal flow impacts the bottom, causing bricks to spall or melt. Structural failure. Thinner lining leads to overheating or even hearth breakthrough, cutting furnace life short.
CCEWOOL polycrystalline fiber modules are designed for the harsh conditions of blast furnace hearths made with 71-73 high purity alumina and silica for excellent chemical stability, ultra-low shot content, and low porosity reduce slag penetration, with thermal conductivity as low as 22 watts per meter Kelvin. At 1000 degrees Celsius, high pressure forming creates a denser structure to block erosion and extend lining life. Advanced image recognition defect detection ensures fiber integrity and reliable performance.
In our blast furnace revamp project, after using CCEWOOL polycrystalline fiber modules, we saw the lining wear rate drop by over 20%, shell temperature fall by 40-50 degrees Celsius, and hearth life extended by about 2 years. Maintenance intervals got much longer, which made operation far more stable and cut down our costs significantly. Plus, the CCEWOOL service team really impressed us. We were kept up to date on production and delivery at every step. Communication was smooth, efficient, and reliable.
The hearth is the heart of the blast furnace. With their low thermal conductivity, excellent corrosion resistance, and strong structural performance, CCEWOOL polycrystalline fiber modules give the hearth solid protection, helping plants extend furnace life, save energy, and move toward greener production. CC Fire Insulating Fire Bricks 2300, 2600, 2800, 3000, CCEWOOL High Temperature Insulation Wool, RCF LVP PCW including blankets, boards, papers, modules, bulks, ropes, etc. Nationwide distribution covering Canada, Mexico, and surrounding countries. Contact us now for fast delivery. The most reputable brand in the high temperature insulation fiber field for over 20 years.